By the end of this video, you will be able to render videos using Remotion inside Antigravity, and it will be totally free. Don't worry, it's no guesswork and it will not waste any of your time. And to be very honest, it will save your API key tokens as well. So, if you are a developer who wants to render videos using Remotion, the new skill that just dropped open source, and you don't want to use cloud code because the API key, yeah, definitely it will stack up and it will cost us much. So this video is for you. And Remotion feels really amazing inside anti-gravity. So hi, this is Dhaval, and on Dhaval Builds AI, we are going we build practical AI and dev workflows step by step. So today I'll show you how you can install correctly Remotion inside anti-gravity, the best practices most people miss, and finally we'll render an actual video so you can see it working. So before going anywhere, just make sure you visit this website and copy this prompt. This is really needed before going ahead. Inside anti-gravity, see, this is anti-gravity, my anti-gravity I have already loaded. What I'll do is I'll just scroll up and I'll show you what the prompt is. Basically, let me scroll up. Yeah. So over here you can see I have the command that we copied. I've just pasted it over here and it started installing. And over here, when you choose a template, make sure you choose blank because it will take some time to install it. And before comment, like, so let's make sure before moving to anti-gravity, this is the RevDev motion that you need to visit before going to anti-gravity. Over here, you just need to copy the folder, copy the command that have been provided by remotion.dev, and then make sure you go to anti-gravity. And before pasting that command into anti-gravity, make sure you create a folder that, like I have created, anti-gravity remotion, and open a command prompt. Basically, this will help the skill to be specifically get downloaded into that particular folder so it won't mess with any of your other files. And make sure this project uses node 18 or higher because remotion depends heavily on the modern and node features. Now, to install remotion, what we have to do is we have to paste this command over here. As you can see, I have already done this. I'll show you how does it work. So I have pasted this command and it starts installing. And make sure when it asks to choose a template, choose a blank template because it will take so much time to install. Over here, whatever it asks, just say yes over here. So it will make sure all the necessary files have been downloaded and it can work properly. See, I have installed all the things that are necessary, and don't worry about this failed installs. It won't make an issue to any of your video files, rendered video. Once that is done, it will show us the commands that we need to do. Over here, it created another folder, my video. So it might create another folder for you, and it might not create. So it totally depends on what commands you have getting. For me, it created my hyphen video. So I'll just go to that folder and then I'll start running the file npm I. Over here, it will run all the files that, like, it will run the command and do all the necessary things that have been needed. And then once it's done, we need to put up the another command that is npm run dev. Once it starts running, you can visit the localhost. Over here, you can see I have been into the localhost, and the very first video that you will be able to see is this video because as anti-gravity while starting we have chosen a blank skill, a blank template, so it won't render anything. After that, what we have to do is we have to create, like, we need to go to the chat bar and we can start creating the videos. Over here, the first thing that I asked is, like, don't worry if you don't know how to prompt. If you're like me, who bit lazy to prompt, create a whole prompt and provide it to Gemini or Antigravity, what you can do is go over here, click on chat, and make sure you use Cloud Opus 4.5 and provide all the necessary details that you need. Once you have provided, in the end, ask if you have any questions before moving forward so that we can align in the same manner. Once it is done, it will ask few questions that can, like, make sure align what you're thinking, and then once you have answered, it will start rendering the packages. Over here, it will create an implementation plan first and then it will move forward. So over here, once I have told him, like, told the agent to move forward, what it will do is it will start creating the video, and it has created the video. If you can see, it is asking me to go to the video. So as I have been to the video, you can see the very first video that I rendered using this. It just showcased my image, and yeah, this is basically an intro for my YouTube videos. I'll So you know how it creates the videos. It is very simple, nothing much complex. Now, the second part, when I asked him to create an animation of zoom in Earth to the Taj Mahal, and before moving forward, if it has any questions, then it can ask. And make sure when you're asking it to use Nano Banana, Cloud doesn't know what Nano Banana is. So at that particular moment, you will have to switch it to Gemini 3.5. After that, it will ask us, like, questions, a couple of questions. You answer it, and then again it will provide an implementation plan. If it asks any questions, then what you do is you answer that particular questions and move forward with it. See, I have answered the questions, and into the Zoom Earth you can see walkthrough, like, it has created the video. Now if I go back to my local host, you can see the video. The prompting is bad, but yeah, this was the India, which I'm currently staying, Mumbai and Delhi. What it will do is it will zoom in. See, it was a quite good work, which for us it will take so much of time. We need to find the videos, or we need to prompt it to, Nano Banana, and create the four images, combine it, animate it, whatnot. Now suppose that I have a logo that I need to animate. Let's animate. What I'll do is I'll provide a logo over here and ask him to animate. Suppose that I have this logo. What I'll do is I will provide this logo. I guess it doesn't show my white. Yeah, I'll take this and ask him. I need to animate this logo wherein it will wherein both the gears will rotate in the opposite direction, and it will zoom out a bit, and below that logo it will showcase the name of the company, that is Dobots, in white color. And, like, if you want to use any company, what I can say is company theme, or if you are quite aspire of any of the logos, like if you are aspire how the logo gets animated of McDonald's, or maybe Adobe, you can just write it. But I don't think that I need any of it. My animation is quite simple. That's it. And I'll add a little bit prompt in the last. Now, before moving forward, if you have any questions, then do ask me so that we can align in the same path. That's it. See, if you can see, I'm currently using Opus 4.5. Send it, and it will start working. Now, let me make it little small so you can see. Okay, see, it has asked me several questions now, which I'll answer accordingly. Duration, yeah, 3-4 seconds are more than enough. Second, rotation speed, should the gears rotate slowly, subtle, professional. I need it to rotate slowly. To rotate slowly. Then it should start on the case and zoom out. Well, see, I just wanted to zoom out, and it really provided me a really good idea when it can start zoom in, and while providing the full logo, it will go zoom out. Then again, see, it is providing me really good questions which I can think and answer accordingly. I would like to fade in, which I think will fade in, which I think it will really look good. Purpose, the standalone logo intro, or should it be flow to another video? It's standalone. So it is asking me this question because I have created multiple videos in the same chat. So it thinks that what I'm trying to do. Yeah, full HD. So now let's wait. See, I'm not doing anything. My hands are up, and it will start doing all of this work. See, again, I'm showing you my hands. It is up in the airs, and it is doing all its work. At the end of it, I'll just show you the video once it is been done. And yeah, I need to show you one thing. When we render the video, like I have rendered this video, if you can see, I rendered it. I mean, sorry, this video. I have rendered it. It will we will be able to see it in out. If you can look at this folder, this is the video. I might not be able to play it right now. Yeah, sorry, I can play it. Okay, this also generated the sound which I was not able to hear in that rendered part. But yeah, you can understand what kind of sound that it generates, and we can also prompt him for the sound as well. I just accepted the command, and again, yeah, my hands are up, and let's wait. Now we can see it has rendered the video. Now what we'll do is we can go over here and yeah, do bot's intro. If what I can do, see, quite cool, simple, fade in and fade out. So in this video, you learned how to install Remotion and use it completely free inside Antigravity. So if you like this video, do like it, subscribe to the channel Double Bills AI, and let's see you in the next video. Bye, Sarah.